Mpenzi mtazamaji, ujambo na karibu katika makala yetu ya kila asubuhi kuanzia mwendo wa saa 1 hadi saa 2. It is amazing show. Inakubambia wapi? Inakushikia wapi? Tuko ndani, kumbuka ni ndani ya MTN Kenya Morning Breakfast Show ukiwa na MC Jomoke, Bwana Kasuti na wageni na kila kitu ambayo kinatokea mkoani, kaunti yako, kila pahali ndani ya MTN Kenya kila asubuhi kunapokucha. Mpenzi mtazamaji, kumbuka unaweza ukatazama hapo chini ya screen yako ukatutumia ujumbe mfupi, ni yapi yanayotokea katika eneo lako, ni yapi kila kitu ambayo kinatokea katika mtaa wako. Mpenzi mtazamaji, pia unaweza ukapiga ukatuambia kulingana na mjadala wa leo, kulingana na nini katika ndani ya MTN Kenya. You gonna call us on 0701486625. Unatupata ukiwa wapi? Na leo ndani kabisa tuko na kijana ambaye ni kijana all the way from Ruiru. Ukipenda unaweza sema from Ruiru. Atakuwa ndani kabisa, atakuwa ndani na hashtag yetu ni ndani. And remember that recall, bear in mind, tunaongelea peace. Na leo mgeni wetu ataweza kuongelea about youth and leadership. Pia ataguzia mambo na employment, youth and leadership, vijana na uongozi. Hiyo ndio itakuwa mada yetu ya leo, vijana na uongozi, the way vile unazielewa, au sio? Unatupata ukiwa wapi? Pia ataongelea mambo na employment. Kumbuka vijana ni wengi, hawana kazi mtahani. Ni vipi tutafanya waweze kupata kazi? If ni vipi wataweza kuchinaisi? Ni vipi wanaweza kujipamba? Nataka utapika swali, utume ng'onu twange nango si utume. Ulise mkeni wetu akiuliza, nataka umuulize maswali. Ni vipi unaweza tengeneza kazi? Ni vipi unaweza jipamba pale mtahani? Ni vipi unaweza pata pesa ukafungua miradi za makulukulu, ukafungua miradi za makuku kama wafula, ukafungua miradi za ng'ombe kama chepeti? Itakuwa ndani, itakuwa live hapa ndani ya MTN Kenya. Pia ataweza kuongelelea vijana, youth position in election. Ni jukumu gani vijana wanapewa katika upikaji kura, au ni nyanja kani wanaweza kujiingiza, ama ni nini vile unachua tu vile unaelewa ni jukumu gani ama ni nyadhifa gani wanapewa katika uongozi katika hizi election. Kumbuka tunaenda kupika kura, na hapa ndani tumekuwa tukichemako na tunasema na bado tunachema kwamba yule atashinda wacha asinde, na yule atashindwa wacha asinde. Mimi na wewe tuende tupike kura kwa amani na turudi enda nyumbani kwa amani, na tunachua kwamba hii ni mwaka wa amani, hii ni mwaka wa Bwana. So mpenzi mtazamaji, tuna preach peace, tuko ndani sana. Kumbuka ukipiga katika namba 0701486625, ina pesa inakudai pale, ati itakukata kamia 50. Na ukata pesa kidogo tu, pesa kidogo tu sana, kama shilingi 1 per minute ama shilingi 2 per minute, and you call us, you give us your views, you give us your opinion. Utakuwa ndani na Kasuti in a short while. Utakuwa ndani na sijui MP ama ni kiongozi wa vijana kutoka wapi, Ruiru. Atakuwa ndani, itakuwa nakupambia ndani, itakuwa nakushikia ndani penzi mtazamaji. Na pia kama unataka kuja utuambie ni yapi yanatokea katika mtaa wako, vitongoji zako, kaunti chako, pia unaweza ukatupata tu ndani ya MTN Kenya. Kwa hiyo namba tuanga hiyo nango, situambie, ama SMS tuambie unataka kuja kuperform show. Wewe uko na bandi na unataka kukuja hapa ndani, tuambie. Wewe ni kama King Tom Kiresi, unaimba makwaya, unaimba makosi peli, and you want to come to this show, tafadhali nafunguka moyo na kukaribisha sana. You just SMS sasa na unatuambia uko wapi, unakuwa leo kutoka wapi, Wasema Rongai, I salute you all. Wakina Masi mkiwa pale, mashabiki wa Rongai, najua mko locked tu sana all the way from wapi Kaleni, Epikambu pale Ndonyo, Epikambu pale Rhino, wakina Chasa mko locked ndani, mashabiki wakubwa. Umoja mnatupata route andikilia, basi vikatuanga simu tueleze ni yapi mnatarajia vijana wetu wafanye, au nitasaidia vijana wetu namna gani. Ni morning breakfast show kila atipui masaa ya atipui kwa cha mocha tukiwa ndani. And kesho nafikiri tuko na mkeni mmoja mkubwa sana ambaye ataongelea peace. Tafadhali hata kama wewe ni mainepa, tafadhali preach peace. Embakasi all the way from now. Embakasi Eva ako locked tu sana. Eva ako locked sana akiwa pale Embakasi Epikambi ama ni JCU Camp. Sara anawakilisha Embakasi, ako locked tu sana kwa ndani. And I'm saying it is my humble request. Don't kusa hapana kusa vitu hivyo. Yes, Masi all the way from Mulimulu. Wale watu wa Paris tunafaa koti 2 na sweta 50. Ako ndani pale anawakilisha Limulu, ako locked tu sana. Morisi all the way from Kisii. Morisi shabiki mkubwa sana wa Kisii County. Aba ni wale wasee wakikasirika, wamekasirika wana police PC. Pia tutakuletea makala ya makaseti, tutakuletea pale ambapo tulifikia chana, tulienda ile masi whatever ile nini happy wodi chana alifanywa masi wodi. Kasuti atakuwa anakuambia vizuri, mimi sijui hiyo. Tulifika pale tukawakilisha MTN Kenya, tulikuwa locked sana. Pia tutakwambia penye Chipili imefikisha kampeni zake. NASA wamefikisha wapi kampeni zao? Nani ndio nani mtarajiwa, nani ndio nani. Tutakuwa ndani, tutakuletea hiyo makala kabisa ina short while kama pato. Remember, call me mind it that you have to call us on 0701486625. Tupatie opinion zako, tuulize maswali yale tutongelelea. Unatupata kutoka wapi? Wasema utawala na chama mko ndani kabisa. Nasema kina sio Kimau DJ Penny hapo, sio Kimau wako ndani. Na choko ndani kwa locked sana, wakilisha peace. Wherever you are watching me, please peace, talk about peace wherever you are. Yes, that is our humble request. Remember that 2007 watu walipigana hivi. Vijana walileta mkoloposho, wakaleta vita, na tunasema tafadhali mpenzi mtazamaji, we are preaching peace na tunaongelea amani. Wherever you are watching, wherever you are smiling, tafadhali na kuona na kucheki, you are locked ndani. We have to talk about peace. And upige kura. This is not the time to kutupa mawe. Mbona tutupe mawe? Oga my brother, this is not the time to fight. If you fight, you are foolish. Taka nikuuliza wewe, Uhuru anakujua? Hakujui wewe. Mheshimiwa Raila hakujui. Wewe ngoja kunipigia nango. This is the time to preach. Tupiri amani bwana. Wafula from Nakuru bwana, tupiri amani. Wafula Kim, tupiri amani. Tusituangane na tunachua tuende kutuangana. We are talking about peace and we are one thing. We are one Kenya, we are one tribe. Tafadhali. Leo tuko locked sana. Nyaunye takupata wapi? Makonda wa Mlolongo, tafadhali TPF. Tubiri amani. Arnaipasi wherever you are watching. Nachoko locked sana. Nachua Mungu atakubless sana. Kura ni siri yako. Kura ni wewe mwenyewe. Tuongelelea amani. Pia tutaweza kuongelea maparapara. Hebu tuambie parapara za kwenye siko namna gani? Sangu ni mbaya sana, zimetupoka siko na pangicha. If very soon we are going to panda mandisi inside. Parapara sio Kimau friend, let me tell you my friend. Siko terrible sana, siko mbaya sana. Siko vipaya. Sinaweza panda mandisi pale, siko vipaya sana. Tupigie nango situambie parapara yako iko wapi? Parapara yako mheshimiwa wako anafanya nini? Iko namna gani MP kafa na what are they doing? Tell us tutuangie nango sintani tuambie ni nini inaendelea. Chief wako anasema nini? Mkasaka anaongelea nini? Nani analeta rapsha kwa mtaa? Tuambie. Wakina chosen generation tuambie, tutuangie nango tuambie mtaa iko namna gani? Mnatupata mkiwa wapi? Kenya moja, basa Kenya moja. Tuambie mnabeba abiria aje? Manze kunaenda aje? Mnatushikia wapi? Kumbuka leo tuko ndani. Leo tunataka vijana waongee, tunapatia vijana nafasi kuongelelea nyadhifa. Madhe tusikazie vijana. Buda pale home tusikazie vijana. Leo tutakuwa ndani maswala itakuja na nataka utupe maswali. Ongelea about employment, self-employment. Manze vijana tunalia hakuna jobs huku nje. Tunalia tutapata wapi capital, na atatusaidia capital tuanze kabisa na pale. Tutaongea nango situambie uko na miradi gani. Wale wase wa Ruiru wanasufuga masungura, tuambie project ya kufuga masungura na magwe na cost how much. Kuna mtazamaji anataka kujua, anataka kuwa motivated. Yes, tuko locked ndani na leo kwenye mitambo tuko na Sido akiwa ndani ya mitambo kabisa, naangalia mambo iko salama kabisa. Tupigie simu tuambie kuko aje, kunaenda aje. Yes, tuko ndani sana kabisa. Nikitisha ka break. After a short while I will be back na nitakuletea mgeni wetu after a short while.
You are watching MTN Kenya, your number one favorite TV station.
One fail cannot make you a failure. Neither one win cannot make you a winner. But it's what you do habitually, persistently, that will determine whether you are a winner or a loser. But do you know what? You are not a loser. You are not a failure. You are a winner in Jesus' mighty name. My name is Pastor Joseph Bahati. Ninakukaribisha kukuwa nafuata kipindi cha Glory Show hapa katika television ya MTN Kenya every Saturday from 5 to 6. Katika kipindi hiki tunawaleta waimbaji ambao wamepakwa mafuta. Katika kipindi hiki tunawaleta watumishi wa Mungu ambao wako na neema ya kiunabii, neema ya uponyaji na neema ya kiinjilisti na neema ya Mungu juu ya maisha yao. Na ninakwambia wakati unafuata kipindi cha Glory Show every Saturday from 5 to 6 p.m. your life will never be the same again. Isaiah chapter number 60 verse 1, the Bible says, "Arise and shine, for the light of God and the glory of God has come upon your life." Nakwambia it is your time to arise and shine. Karibu kwa nafuata kipindi cha Glory Show every Saturday from 5 to 6 p.m. pamoja na mimi Pastor Joseph Bahati. Be blessed.
Inakuwasia nini?
Juma.
Ni Juma, akinifungulie.
Ni landlord nimerudi na naongeza kofu lingine. Mwambie alipe nyumba.
Amwende ununue mchele.
Sasa kila siku itakuwa ni mchele. Kama sio mchele ni kangumu. Aworo pen.
Sikiza. Nataka kuona hizi kazi ziishe. Before kesho iishe. Nataka kuona kazi yote imefanya nini? Imeisha.
Mtoto yangu akipotea ni wewe.
Mtoto akipotea? Kwani naendanga nao kazini ama hapa ni shuleni?
Ati Mzito no more. His people must go. Mzito, you can't be serious.
Ingia hapa.
Ndio. Hapa ndio malipo.
Naona Mungu amenibariki na githeri hapa.
Ati githeri tena. Sasa mute sasa githeri naona ni ndogo bado.
Hii githeri. Githeri tunashare.
Hapana.
one fail cannot make you a failure. Neither one win cannot make you a winner. But it's what you do habitually, persistently, that will determine whether you are a winner or a loser. But do you know what? You are not a loser. You are not a failure. You are a winner in Jesus' mighty name. My name is Pastor Joseph Bahati. Ninakukaribisha kukuwa nafuata kipindi cha Glory Show hapa katika television ya MTN Kenya every Saturday from 5 to 6. Katika kipindi hiki tunawaleta waimbaji ambao wamepakwa mafuta. Katika kipindi hiki tunawaleta watumishi wa Mungu ambao wako na neema ya kiunabii, neema ya uponyaji na neema ya kiinjilisti na neema ya Mungu juu ya maisha yao. Na ninakwambia wakati unafuata kipindi cha Glory Show every Saturday from 5 to 6 p.m. your life will never be the same again. Isaiah chapter number 60 verse 1, the Bible says, "Arise and shine, for the light of God and the glory of God has come upon your life." Nakwambia it is your time to arise and shine. Karibu kwa nafuata kipindi cha Glory Show every Saturday from 5 to 6 p.m. pamoja na mimi Pastor Joseph Bahati. Be blessed.
Mpenzi mtazamaji, nilikueleza inashoti weli tutakuwa tunarudi sana uko rudi sana. Ni ndani ya MTN Morning Breakfast Show kila asubuhi kuanzia saa 1 hadi saa 2. David, tumepata simu yako all the way from Kiambu. Unatuambia Kiambu iko shwari kabisa, iko lokuti, iko choncho, na unasema una request movie, sisi inaitwa transport ya manini. Uko rudi sana inashoti weli sometimes sitea Tamu zipea gitea. Juta kuchezea hiyo movie. Najua wewe ni fan wa movie na pia wewe ni fan wa MTN Kenya. Yes, bwana Mkupwa.
Yes, how is you?
Mimi isikuti, amukuti, amuisikuti.
Isikuti.
Isikuti.
Is that drum?
That is drum you piti. Now when if you are the noise making it, isikuti. Now amukuti.
So now you're good.
Amukuti, amulokuti inside here.
You are locked.
Amulokuti.
Okay, remember here is Samuel Kasuti. You can just send your text on 0701486625. Bwana Nyomo.
Yes.
I can see you are good.
Amukuti kabisa msikuti.
Yeah, today man leo watazamaji wako.
Watazamaji leo nimewaandalia mambo mingi fifi. Niko na mkeni anaitwa Eugene nani?
Yeah, that's Eugene Karuri.
Yes, Eugene Spini Karuri Kari ama ni Eugene mheshimiwa honorable ilipi insight na nikitana paru. Nilikuwa nimeambia mtazamaji atwange nango si SMS leo ongelee kwa sababu mkeni anaongelea story na empowerment youth. And then don't mind the way I talk. Empowerment youth. We will be talking about entrepreneurship, and then what is self-employment. Alafu position in election. My youth wanaweza chingiza namna gani fifi. That is what is going to in a short while. Ikona kama insight and you will be noticing more. Alafu ongelele hiyo maneno.
Yes, sure,
and mpenzi mtazamaji akumbuke we are talking about peace. About peace.
Yeah, MTN is peace.
Pieces. Now you gonna twanga nango sitoka, just talk. We talk you talk us.
We talk you, we talk us.
You talk us, we talk us. We call you SMS us, we SMS you paka.
Yes, on 0701 486625.
Yes.
I can just send in your question because today our topic is all about youth.
Youth entrepreneurship.
General about entrepreneurship and
mafichana like where come from mafichana wanasema we don't have capital, we are financial literate town. We don't na kama mpunge MCA kafana wanaweza ingilia ndani MP watusaidie some financially. Sitepo tuanze ka business kama ya mai ni shida yani machi
maji
inaleta sita.
Uh-huh.
Sijui tufungue car wash,
Uh-huh.
sijui tufungue masukuma, lakini sasa the problem is capital.
So Jomoke, if I ask you, if I told I can give you money and I give you a job, unachukua nini?
Mimi I will take two of them. I take money and I take job. As you know,
no Jomoke, wacha kwa msumbufu. Just take one.
I cannot take one. In mind you see hatuna job. Kitu namba 2 hatuna pesa. That is why unapata people are blaming us that tunafuta ma sponsor.
Yes.
Hatuna pesa, hatuna kasi.
So,
si tupatie yote 2 and then I will be well off.
So if I told you choose between money or job, you choose everything.
Everything. Vile siko nachukua namna hiyo.
Mtaka yote kwa sawa yote.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Ni Baswahili balinonga, si balinonga.
If I ask you, if I give you money or job, what can you really take? Jomoke is saying that he will take everything. Just send in your text on 0701486625 and challenge this Jomoke because ni kama amechanganyikiwa kidogo.
Hakuna kuchanganyikiwa. Ukiwa na kiu ya
Jomoke
maji,
nimesema nakupatia hii pesa ama tablet.
ni kama unipatie kifungu ya kari na kari. Si unanipea kari na unanipea kifungu ya kari.
Oh my goodness.
Ukipata bibi hapa hivi ako na watoto na unataka kumuoa na ako na watoto 2 watoto 3. Hiyo ni example ya kutoka kwetu Ikitali. Chukua bibi, chukua na watoto.
No, you just take watoto aenda kwa bwana.
Hapana, hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Tulipenda pipi na ukapenda watoto. Hakuna vile utapenda pipi upende watoto. Kila kitu chukua. So if you give me money and the job, I will take everything.
So I have to give you everything.
Everything.
Then I'll not give you anything.
Hakuna 50-50 ati mkate.
I'll not now give you anything. Because
Okay.
I have to give you choose between money or
Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Hata mpenzi mtazamaji anaweza tuma SMS, anaweza twanga nango si supporting me. If you give me job opportunity and money, I will take everything.
you take everything.
Everything.
Oh, Jomoke is a very difficult guy to work with. Just send in your text on 0701486625 and just also your social media text on Facebook MTN Kenya, Twitter is @MTN Kenya, and Instagram is MTN Kenya. My question is, if at all you are given money or job, what will you take? It's a good amount of money, let's say 250,000, and job, what will you take? Jomoke is saying that he'll take everything. But for me, I don't know what I will take, but I know I will take something between either of the two because you are asked to take money or job.
Yes.
Just stay tuned. Remember, this MTN Breakfast Show, the only show that brings you brilliant guests.
Yes,
like today we have a youthful leader all the way from
Ruiru. Na ametuambia watu wa Ruiru wako lokuti sana kusinda Wakiambu, hata Wakiambu wako ndani. Yes, hata Wasio Kimau wanatuwakilisha. Ekitali wako ndani, hata wameniambia theatuning this morning theatuning. Hata wakaniletea story nyingine nitakwambia na short while about nyani zimeleta 6. Iko nyumbani sinarua mahindi. Eti tuongelea pataye. Walikuwa naomba serikali ingie katikati ifanye tu. Ingilia kwa nyani leti imeleta 6 makorokoro na chana niliongelea nikasema unga ililetwa. Sasa hata wapunge na MC watuletee mboka.
Oh my goodness.
Sasa nyani imeleta maneno.
Jomoke, the government gives you maize flour. Tena ndo katina mboga.
Sasa unajua kama government, that's why I say it, if you give me one thing is not enough. Just give me 2 things. Kama imeleta unga MCA makava, sisemi sasa government.
Sasa wewe ni mlafi.
Sisemi government, nimesema kama sasa government imeleta unga, wale wasiri wa miradi, governor, MCA, MP wasiri likiliki hapa chini, watuletee mboka. Kwani mboka ni pesa ngapi?
10 bob.
10 bob shilingi 10 watuletee mboka mtaani.
10 bob shilingi 10 zote mbili.
Yes.
So if at all they bring you each and every day mboga. So
that
kuna cholera.
Cholera ilikuja hata chana nimejaribu kupita pale penye tunakulanga nyama Mutura, Tondo pale, Pipe IC, nothing is there.
Hakuna cholera.
They have closed everything.
They have closed
everything. Now you see, when I pass there, those people wananikimbilia kama president, they tell me test. I test from here, I test from all the parts.
Kumaliza ushashiba.
Nikimaliza I don't buy anything. Now they are nowhere to be seen.
Oh my goodness. I remember cholera is real, and just boil your water, just make sure you wash your hands before you take anything. Here Jomoke inajua yeye kuosha mkono itakuwa tabu kidogo.
Sasa mkono yangu mtazamaji unaona vile iko clean, naosha mkono ya nini?
Yeah, you know germs are there.
They are not aware. If I don't wash hands, Kwani watu wa kitambo walikuwa wanaishi namna gani? Hawakuwa wanaosha mikono.
Somebody tell me, if you are given money, a good amount of money or job, what will you go for? Remember, here on MTN Kenya, interact with us with MC Jomoke, the only guy who is allowed to marry 40 women in 40 tribes.
Not 40, 42.
42.
42 from 42 tribes.
So you moved from 40 to
42. 42. Energetic man. A total man.
Total man.
A total man.
So you are a total man.
Hey, I am a total man.
From today, 19th of July, you're a total man.
I'm a total man. Mpenzi mtazamaji, I'm a total man. If you have a msichana mrembo sana, I'm a total man. I'm only the guy who's allowed to marry from 42 tribes. Not 40, 42.
42.
42.
And you have Chebet.
Chebet is number 12.
Number 12.
Kwa hiyo mchezo ya ligi is number 12. I have number 23, I have captain, I have Manchester wako. So that in 2022 when I'm campaigning for the president.
So you have all votes.
I have all votes from chini mpaka juu. Everything. If we go to 40, kura ni zangu zote zinatoka nyumbani and then mtazamaji ongezee. I'm already a winner.
And you just remember, we have 18 days to election. Just stay calm and vote in peace. Here on MTN Kenya, we're just preaching peace. Remember also to interact with us on social media at MTN Kenya. That is our Twitter handle, and in MTN Kenya, that is Instagram handle, and Facebook page. You can just like it, or MTN Kenya. You can also find MC Jomoke on 0701486625 and challenge him, because he's saying that if at all I give him money or job, he will take everything. He's glutton indeed.
Wait you see. You see, I'm not only one. I'm not glutton. Even I've seen a text here saying that if you give me everything, I will take all. See this. I will take everything. You see, we are Kenyans.
So you are inciting people to
I'm not.
They'll take everything, Jomoke.
I'm not. There is this slogan, this proverb. He is saying that a wise man, from a wise man quote, that a golden opportunity only comes once. Yani chance inakuja mara moja. Ukipata chance mara moja, tumia bwana.
Oh, Jomoke.
Yes.
Now you're now confusing everything.
I'm not confusing everything.
Jomoke, another good example. I give you an iPhone and Asus. What will you take?
Everything. Give me this and you give me iPhone, this one. I take everything.
You take everything?
Yes.
Sasa wewe unataka kila kitu.
Kila kitu. Wewe kama unataka moja liitika nayo.
So meaning you are a player.
I'm not a player.
You don't have any desire.
No. That's why I say.
Yeah, you don't have
if ukinipatia kitu moja, hailitisi.
No.
Kwa sababu umefunguka moyo kabisa, moyo yako ni nyeupe hivi inakaa kumeta. Just give me everything.
No, I cancel everything here on MTN Breakfast Show. I not give Jomoke anything.
No, it can't be.
Tamai luwa fisi Jomoke.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Wacha hata mpenzi mtazamaji. Unajua amesema hapa inashoto wewe utatuambia ni kutoka wapi. Amesema that I will take everything.
You take everything.
I'm supporting the motion. He's supporting me. He's supporting me. He's caring.
So you are trying to honga them wasema.
I don't honga everything, but I talk from perspectively of truth. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Maybe if you can just read one or two texts here in MTN Breakfast Show. Just a minute, a text has just popped in here. Just keep on sending your text on 0701486625. Hi, I will take all. Oh my goodness.
Good.
And he has not said his name. I wish I could know him.
And I will take all.
I will take all. I will take all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
You.
He or he is saying that he will take all. Oh my goodness.
Very true.
So you are just on the Jomoke's lane. I don't blame you, I blame Jomoke here.
Don't blame me.
Because you're inciting...
Tafadhali. Mimi naongelea ukweli. Ukweli na ukweli. Walisema ukweli ikuweke free. Ukweli set free. Just talk the side part of me na ukweli ikwe. Sasa mimi naongelea ukweli.
Oh my goodness.
Leta unga, tupe mboga. Leta mai, tupe moto. Yes.
Just send your name and where you come from on 0701486625. Maybe another text before we go for a short break. But right. Okay. I'm Irene from Lolongo, Nagotea Madhe akiwa home Machakos. Makid Michelle, nitachukua job because pesa itaisha, but job will get the money from there. Oh my goodness, Irene, I like your mind.
Tafadhali Irene,
wherever you are, at least you have a stand. But Jomoke here is just confused. They does not have any stand.
Ngoja kwanza.
I'm speaking to Irene now, Bana Jomoke.
Irene, tafadhali.
I'm congratulating Irene because he'll take job.
Tafadhali Irene from Morongo, tafadhali Irene. Wacha niite jina yake na swag. Irene Tamatari.
She knows that
Take everything. My sister take everything. Unajua kama kuna sister.
She just knows that the money will squander them all.
Irene, you are lying. Why not Irene are lying? You want me to cry, Irene?
Please, Irene, advise this guy because he is saying that he will take everything and you have your own stand. Mboka here does not have any stand.
Najua tu Irene anaongea kufurahisha. Najua tu Irene anitakiangi masuri. I know, that is what I know from Kitamba, Irene from Morong. Anitakiangi masuri. I know, and I know she could.
He has now becoming emotional here on MTN Breakfast Show. Remember, just keep on sending your text on 0701 486625. And we told you that we are coming with a guest, a youthful leader here on MTN Breakfast Show. Just stay tuned and remember to keep on your texting your question. Any question that is burning you, just send in on the number down on your screen. Stay tuned.
Inakuwasia nini?
Juma.
Ni Juma, akinifungulie.
Ni landlord nimerudi na naongeza kofu lingine. Mwambie alipe nyumba.
Amwende ununue mchele.
Sasa kila siku itakuwa ni mchele. Kama sio mchele ni kangumu. Aworo pain.
Sikiza. Nataka kuona hizi kazi iishe. Before kesho iishe. Nataka kuona kazi yote imefanya nini? Imeisha.
Mtoto yangu akipotea ni wewe.
Mtoto akipotea? Kwani naendanga nao kazini ama hapa ni shuleni?
Ati Mzito no more. His people must go. Mzito, you can't be serious.
Ingia hapa.
Ndio. Hapa ndio malipo.
Naona Mungu amenibariki na githeri hapa.
Ati githeri tena. Sasa muje sasa githeri hata naona ni ndogo bado.
Hii githeri. Githeri tunashare.
Hapana.
Welcome back here on MTN Breakfast Show. We told you that we are coming back with a man in black. Maybe if you can just tell us his name. Welcome to MTN Breakfast Show.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Karibu.
Yeah,
maybe if you can just tell the audience, who are you?
Yeah, my name is Eugene Karagacha. Nimetoka huko Nyandarua Charagi Tawada. I'm an MC aspirant huko. I'm also a youth leader around Loiro town hapa Kiambu.
You are MC aspirant?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. In Nyandarua.
Charagi Tawada, Nyandarua.
Charagita. Yeah, Charagita.
Yes.
Why choose an MCA and not for MP?
Because the MCA right now in Kenya,
yes,
you see, you have the devolved function.
Yeah.
So you find out that we need leaders who are on the ground, who can be able to be the one inch. I think the MCA is the leader who can be the one inch on the ground at that particular time. The leader that the one inch when they come in the morning, they find him in his home and be able to push the agendas.
So you mean that when you voted in as MCA,
yes,
you'll just be available?
I'll be available.
So meaning you'll not be doing your own work for MCA work. Maybe if you're available, you are maybe in the office just sitting, waiting for your people, for your supporters.
No. Being available means that's the work of a politician. You see, a politician or an MC, any elected leader, should be there for the people. It's representation.
Yes.
You go to the bunge.
Yes.
When all the bunge be the people.
So you go to the bunge, then you make laws, then come back to your people.
Absolutely.
Yes. Jumoke.
Yes.
Maybe what can you say about our MCA aspirant? Which chama are you using?
Okay, I'm an independent candidate.
Independent candidate.
Yes. I'm not a member of any political party, and I've never been a member of any political party. So me, Sikwagushwa.
Yes.
And you have never participated in politics. This is the first time you have participated in politics.
School politics, Kitambo, Kenyatta University, and now the first time I'm participating in national politics.
National politics. Yes.
Yes, mpenzi mtazamaji, tuko ndani kabisa, na unajua sasa nimeweka speed cover na tuko na mheshimiwa akiwa ndani kabisa, na nilikuambia tunaongelea mambo na employment, mambo na vijana na uongozi, mambo na makura na PC. Tuko ndani kabisa, na I don't know where to start from, but the mheshimiwa can proceed and tell us 1 2 3 things, and then we proceed on.
Yes, mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Now what made you to venture in politics?
Okay, in democracy, it comes a time when we as youths, we need to get down into business and represent our people.
Yes.
Youths see the mashida nyingi in this country. We are facing all the challenges, so we need to get in and solve our own problems, because we can't wait for the other guys to solve our problems.
Yes.
We know. I know your problems better.
Yeah, sure.
I know your problems better.
Yeah.
So I'm able to solve them absolutely better than any other person. So we need to represent our own. Yes.
Okay, so but there's a claim that youth cannot lead wisely like these old men in the government or in politics. What is the take about that?
So what I take about leadership,
Yes.
leadership is about age. Being young doesn't mean you're a leader. Being old doesn't mean a leader. Leadership comes if you can just influence people.
Yes.
If you can just make decisions on behalf of people.
Yes.
You are a leader.
Yes.
You don't just come here and make us a one-man show as a leader. What you have to do as a leader is to listen to the people,
Yes.
go represent them, and I think it's a time that youth need to present with the youth. Because you see, when you look at the old people,
Yes.
they go and represent their own views.
Yes.
So, but me,
Yes.
as a young person,
Yes.
I'm here to represent to be the voice of the youth. Actually, my slogan is to be the voice of Charagita. Charagita is a word.
Charagita.
The voice of
To be
Charagita.
the voice of Charagita. Yes.
Yani hiyo ni voice ya watu,
Yeah,
ya
voice.
wananchi within the county.
Yeah.
Charagita.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe somebody not just get your name. Maybe if you could just repeat your name and what the position you are vying for.
Yeah, my name, as I said, is Eugene Mwangi Karagacha.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I'm also a former university leader at Kenyatta University. And we run a CBU also in Nyahururu called Jijenge Empowerment, where we do empower youths. We have done several platforms through information dissemination. Because one thing I understand, as youths, the reason we are lagging behind is because you don't have information. There's Weather Fund.
Yes.
You don't know how to access Weather Fund,
That's true.
how to access Women Fund, because some of the youths are women.
But I know normally they do access, but they are denied maybe by those top ranks people in the CDF.
Yeah, basically,
And
there's,
Uwezo, yes.
yeah, there's a lot of impunity.
Yes.
But basically, on our side, we don't have enough information. You don't know the requirements of going to apply for Youth Fund, Uwezo Fund, and the Women Fund. You just go there with maybe half of the requirements. You're told to go back, and then next time you don't come.
So you mean you're saying that we are less informed?
Yeah, I absolutely believe that youths are less informed. Yes.
So what have you done for your ward so that you want to vie for your MCA?
Okay, well, basically what you have done,
Yes.
we have with the Jijenge, it's called Jijenge Empowerment.
Jijenge Empowerment. So introduce that.
Yeah, Jijenge Empowerment, it's a youth foundation we just started a year ago, whereby we are going around empowering youth with information dissemination.
Yes.
We just want youth to know the opportunities are there for them, to guide them on how to get those opportunities.
So it's a form of education, educating the youth.
Yeah, a civic education.
Civic education.
Yes.
So what have you achieved about that?
Okay, we are able to go to meet a lot of youths, but that's not on my ward. It was outside the ward in Nyahururu town, whereby we have gone to Nyahururu Polytechnic, we are going to Laikipia University, we are going to PCA Church. We are able to meet youth, and later on they give us information that they are they are well informed. Some have applied for Wesofad, they have got it. Some have applied for Youthfund, they have got it. And now they are getting empowered. They are developing their jobs.
Yes, Jomoke.
Yes.
So how do you see about the empowerment? Because I asked you a question, kati ya pesa, nikupatia pesa na nikupatia job, utachagua, what will you choose?
Unipatie pesa na job?
What will you choose?
Job, definitely.
Job, definitely. Yes. Jomoke is, Jomoke, I see you are just confused.
I'm not confused.
You see MC amesema atachukua nini? Job.
Ni kama
Why job?
Okay.
You see, you can give me a lot of money here.
Yes.
Weke pesa.
100,000 and that's 200,000. Yes.
Even 100 million here.
Yes.
Na nisifanye kazi. Kazi yangu sasa ilikuwa ni kula ipe
pesa.
Nitaikula na ishi, ndio?
But
job is a lifestyle.
Yes.
You know, you don't just work for money.
Yes.
You work to influence other
people. Now talk to that youth there.
Yes. What I'm saying is we don't just work for money. We work to influence people.
Yes.
We work for the social enterprise. As in,
yes.
You don't just come to work in the morning here so that you can get mshahara. You need to influence that youth outside there.
Yes.
You need to influence those people outside there. Yeah, people need to feel you on the ground.
Sure.
Because this is society.
Jomoke, you see?
So
you are the only person who's confused
against one.
No,
but
it's not two against one, Jomoke.
You see,
hata mpenzi
mtazamaji. You see, mpenzi mtazamaji amesema I will take all.
Yes, and Irene said that he will take job.
And wacha niongelee mheshimiwa akiwa hapa. Niko chini yako, chini ya miguu yako mheshimiwa. Sasa unajua mheshimiwa, youth hatuna kazi na hatuna pesa. That's why people outside there they are blaming us to tafuta sponsor. Sasa nikipewa pesa na nipatiwe kazi, definitely nachukua kila kitu.
This man is undecided because we were asking if I told you I want to offer you job or money, what will you choose? Just send in your text on 0701486625 and also ask Mheshimiwa here a question because as you can see he's a youthful leader and normally youthful are very energetic and they can do what you want. They feel your problem. So if you have any burning issue, you can just SMS us on 0701486625 and don't forget that I asked if at all I offer you job or money, what will you choose or what will you go for? Here Jomoke is just, I can say that he's somehow confused because he's on two he's on a junction. Ameshinda kuchagua ataenda wapi. Now, what strategies do you have to on road to repair the roads in your area?
Yeah, basically you find out that coming from Mashinani, especially when you look at the infrastructure, not only the roads,
yes, we
have a lot of poor infrastructure.
That's very true.
I just observed some photo on Facebook, a governor aspirant being stuck somewhere with his road track. So I think we just need to come up with a good strategy whereby we need to bring, you have seen like Governor Mutua in Machakos,
yes,
whereby he did something called Maendeleo Chap Chap. We come with a strategy. We lay a foundation whereby if Kiamua it's to make this kilometers of roads within like 10 contractors in some like that kilometers, and the load gets done in with like 3 months.
Yes, 3 months. Yes. So your span of ensuring that roads are in good condition is 3 months.
What I'm saying, we can't just do in 3 months.
That's
we have to wait for the budget and all those stuffs. But what I'm saying, it's like within 1 year after maybe getting elected, we can be able to ensure that the people of Charagita and the people of Nyandarua, in collaboration with the MCs and the governor who will be elected, we're able to provide good road network. Because we have been told that since time immemorial, since I was a small boy, I've been told the roads will be made, We just need to solve this problem right now. Yes,
and for instance, you know, MCAs or let's say politicians, when they're asking for votes, they're just glued to the citizens. But if at all they are voted in, they disappear. So how will you counter that?
Basically, I believe the reason that politicians disappear is because, especially in these earlier generations, we have been electing people who are retired. Mzee akitire pale, he comes and asks for a politician, an MP seat or MCA seat. So what do you expect of him? Yeah, kuja hapa kupata pesa ya retirement. So you never be available. Anajua I retired at 55 ama 60, anaweza fanya kazi ya MP miaka 5, ndio kwenda nyumbani. Ingeza ikuja mdanganya tena mpe pesa kidogo, unamrudisha. But when you elect a youth leader, he will be there because I believe politics, siasa vile tunasema siasa tu kutu. Politics is a job.
Politics
This
is
is a
just a
career.
job like any other job.
Yeah, when you look at those guys who went to politics very young, like Kibaki,
Yes.
those guys retired in politics after being there for 40 years because
Yes.
they took it as a job.
Yes.
They're there to serve their people.
Uh-huh.
When you go to the place at Odaya, that's where they developed.
Yeah.
Because those guys took politics as a job, not just as a siasa ile ya kutusia na huku kupiga kelele tu. Yeah, I know I need this job. I've been out for 5 years. Yeah, that's it. Lazima nichaguliwe, but
Yes.
you need to make impact to people's lives because that's basically why you are created as human beings.
Yes. So what makes you different from the from other candidates, and what makes you different actually from other candidates, and what makes you that you will that voter vote for you? What makes you different out of all those candidates?
Yeah, basically, I think maybe, for example, in my ward, I'm the only guy who has a manifesto.
Okay.
You can see.
So you have you just have a manifesto.
Yeah.
Out of other candidates.
Yeah, we have 4 candidates.
Uh-huh.
We have 3 wazes and me.
So you're the only kijana there.
I'm the only kijana there. And plus other 3 wazes.
So what makes you different? One is you are kijana.
Yeah, but I've just said, kijana does make me a leader.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, one thing that I believe, I have a proven track record as a leader. For the past 5 years, I've been in campus and other places leading people. And another thing is the ability to articulate what's supposed to be as an MCA. You know, some people are just going to be elected, but they don't know why the functions of an MCA. I know the constitution. I know what I'm supposed to do as an MCA. Don't just go there because what wanachaguliwa.
Yes.
You go to Buge because you are going to represent the people. Do you know the function of the MCA? You know, some people just tell you that MCA atakuja sijui kutengeneza primary school. That's not the work of an MCA. That's the work of an MP.
Yes.
So people just need to know the roles. I've talked to people and they tell me you are the only guy who understands the work of an MCA.
So out of 4 candidates, you are the only person who understands.
Absolutely.
And the only person who has manifesto.
Yeah, yes.
Oh my goodness. Just send in your text on 0701486625 and we ask a question. If at all I give you job or money, what will you go for? Here we have an MCA candidate, independent candidate from Charagita. All the people of Charagita, I know you are watching, and you can just send in your grievances on 0701486625 and our candidate here, and the MCA candidate, will adhere to. So what if for instance about the lightings and let's say infrastructure as a whole, and that child maybe in Charagita does not have fees. So what strategies will you be using for these 5 years?
Yeah, in my manifesto, I have number 3. I've talked about education.
Yes.
We have a blueprint of forming a Charagita Trust Fund. I have had the president and the opposition leader talking about free secondary education.
Yes.
If it comes to be, that was one of my manifesto. How we provide the children of Charagita fees of high school. If it happens, the high school will be free. As my manifesto had written, we'll forward that to Polytechnics, another high institution of higher learning, whereby we are saying we need 100% transfer of students from high school to colleges. And we know that our parents are struggling, so we'll have that Charagita Trust Fund, whereby we sponsor our students Polytechnics and colleges and universities. As they get help, we also add up, because you can get a help of that 1,000 and you need 80,000. So we need to add up and help them learn.
So that's your strategies.
Yes.
Upendi kusoma.
Sasa wewe naweza acha kupenda kusoma na nilikwambia mwalimu afukuza mimi. You see it depends where I come from. If my nursery teacher up to class 6, when niliachia class 6 there, he used to come and tell me, you go nyumbani ulete msasi urudi nyumbani. What are you expecting? But I'm happy you rudi nyumbani ulete msasi akam, you go, you don't come, you come, and then you leave the school. But I'm happy the MCA, the mheshimiwa is inside here. Amesema kwamba kuna wale vijana wanataka kusoma kule inaitwa Charagita. Sasa hiyo Charagita, I hope hata mheshimiwa the other day president was saying that alikuwa anaambia mtu now education is free. Yes. Mtu unaweza anzia from primary to secondary. And mheshimiwa hii hapa hivi pato anapeana motivation kwamba mtu ambaye atataka kusoma kama mimi sasa anaweza pata hiyo vacancy primary, secondary, mpaka kambasi. Unajua mtu mwenye anafali masomo ni kitu ya maana, mimi hakuchoma. So mheshimiwa, tafadhali nakuombea kila na heri, ukipata hivi I'm coming mpaka tusukulu.
Kabisa.
Ndakuja nishombe mtani.
Karibu Charagita.
Yes, ndakuja Charagita na mayouth wana watch pale. We are expecting you to ask question. You see, you don't have really financially down ni. Mayouth channel walikuwa wanasema ati wako chini, tunataka kufungua kazi ya makulukulu makuku. Mheshimiwa Isia na atajibu maswali kabisa.
Yes, and there is a question here for Susan from Kimbo. I will take all because money work with the job.
Yes, Susan, you are right. You, Susan, thank you from Kimbo.
Susan, I don't want to talk about you again.
Susan, thank you.
So you don't have any decision.
Susan yako sawa. Take everything. That's why nilikwambia ukipata mama na watoto and you promise to mother, take kila kitu.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa Isia,
ask the MCA what he means by saying he's the only one with the manifesto. Yes, he has not said, he or she has not just said his name. Ask him, the MCA, that he means what he means by saying he is the only one with the manifesto.
Yes.
I just clarify to that audience, but he or she has not said his name. What you mean, but with you have a manifesto.
Yes, what I mean by having a manifesto, I have a blueprint of what I expect to do for the people of Charagita in the next 5 years. It's already written there. It's a 5 key manifesto, turning on health, education, infrastructure, and youth and women.
Okay.
So just to elaborate more, so what will you do? Let's say in the health sector, what will you do as an MCA?
Yes, the health sector, you find out it's a devolved function. One thing I have written in my manifesto is that we are going to bring a bill in the Nyandarua County Assembly. Whereby we are going to have a free universal health in Nyandarua County.
So it will be absolutely free?
Yeah. We know that it's already there, but it's not, people are just told, you go in the hospital, then you have to go and buy madawas there.
Yeah.
So what you're going to provide, you need to provide drugs. We need to subscribe our old women, our old parents to NHIF.
Yes.
Those who are over 65 years. We are going to have a motion in the National Assembly, a bill, whereby they'll be able to be subscribed to NHIF. So they'll be able to access free and quality health. Also, we are going to sensitize on the young people who are working.
Sensitization.
Sensitization.
Yes.
To subscribe to NHIF. It's just 500 shillings per month if you are unemployed. And in case of illness, it will recover you. This is discovering even cancer and all those diseases.
Yes.
Because we find that in case of disease comes, people have all the burdens of calling for halabays, all those stuffs. Those things can come to an end. By just subscribing our people to NHIF and other health insurance funds that are available.
Yes. Jumoke, what is the take about that?
Yani unajua mimi maendeleo nakupali maendeleo, which means si watu kutoka huko hivyo watamove sasa digital, from analog to digital. Yani sasa una save kwa ile kati ya NHIF, mtu akikonjeka tu IT, wacha niongelee pia hapo wale watu pale. Hakuna kuitisha fundraising, unaenda tu na peana kati inaketa for everything. Yes.
Na mwenyewe uko na NHIF card.
Sasa unajua kama kitu imeleta mimi sina. Sasa vile ameleta ya idea nimesuolo. Na vile nimesuolo, very soon mheshimiwa, I'm going to apply for NHIF card. Yes.
You need to go today.
I will go today.
Bwana Mheshimiwa. So maybe if you can just maybe talk to the because we are heading to election, and many youths are very violent and chaotic, and some leaders are using our youths. So what's your take about that to other leaders?
So one thing I advise you is that it's just 19 days to elections.
Yes, 19.
Yeah, you might lose your life in the 19 days. Don't just go there, get 500 shillings or 200 shillings, and then utoe vurugu hapo urushe mawe. You know what? The police are very ready for you.
Yeah.
Utagogwa risasi.
And the police just say that is 1 stone 20 bullets.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. So youths, you have a life to live. Take care of your life. It's just 19 days. You might either make your life or your life. We have a life after 9th. We are all brothers, regardless of where you come from. Those who come from Western, those who come Northeastern, Central, Coast. We are all brothers. Unajua naangalianga hivi. For example, when you're in school or other places, hapa kwa job.
Yes.
We don't discriminate each other. But if you are serious, I don't know what happens.
But it's you leaders who cause this sort of discrimination.
You know, I tell you that you think me maybe might sing another leader, you think at night you'll fight.
Yes.
We might sing another leader there, and then in the evening you are drinking coffee somewhere together. So
you leaders, you do meet.
Leaders do meet.
So we are the one who are confused.
Actually today, in the afternoon, we are meeting all the aspirants.
Yes.
We'll be having a meeting somewhere in Oljoro Rock. So we'll be there together. Na hakuna mwingine atapiga mwingine. Tutaongea vizuri. After either hiyo tashida, tuendelee kuongea na maisha yaendelee.
Yes.
So nyinyi pekee ndio mnaacha mkipigana.
So can I say that you are the leaders are the one confusing the supporters?
I would say there are long leaders outside there.
Yes.
Yeah. We need that's what I'm talking that we need to change the kind of leadership we bring into, especially in politics. Leadership is not only politics, but especially in politics, because politicians are the policymakers. We need to bring good leaders, leaders who can be able to lead people in the right way.
Yes.
Because the long leaders outside there.
Yes.
Yeah, there are some of them who influence people. They tell people go and fight.
Yes.
They just buried youths. You know, vijana hana kazi.
Kweli.
Akipata 500 atarusha mawe. But we need to solve that problem. Vijana tuache kusolve problems zetu na usiku moja na kwa siku moja. We need a permanent solution to our problems. Yes.
Jumoke, what is your take about that?
Yes, my take. Mimi hata I'm used to say this. Don't mind the way I talk. It depends with my teacher. Mimi niliambia ba Kenya if najua me I come from many tribes, the way Mheshimiwa has said. Nikaambia vijana wenzangu, it was just like this, as simple as this. Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta akujui, Bwana Raila akujui, mimi sikujui. Enda pika kura yako pole pole, utoke pale. We are preaching peace. Ile mawa ita make it different.
Yes.
What will make it different? Niende utulie. Ukimaliza kupika kura, wende utulie. Ili shilingi 1000 ama 500, it cannot make a difference.
Yes.
Just ignore.
That's why I asked you between money on job, what will you take?
No, when it comes to politics, that is something different.
On that note, there is a question here. Lincoln from Ruiru, to add on that question, asked earlier, what does his manifesto state about youth empowerment? That is my concern. I am 22 years. That's Lincoln, all the way from Ruiru. He is asking maybe what does your manifesto state about youth empowerment? He's very concerned because he's 22 years old.
Yes, actually, Lincoln is my age bracket. I'm just 2 years ahead of him.
Yes.
So, what I will talk about Clinton,
Yes.
In my manifesto, we have laid a strategy. One thing is to empower youth with information.
Okay.
They need to know where to start after school. If I don't go to campus, because not everyone of us will go to school.
Yes,
Some of us need to go to business. Yeah. How do I start? How do I access Unifad? How do I access Uwezofad?
Yes.
How will I be able to maybe start a CBU and go on in life? Yeah. Basically, it's about empowerment and information dissemination,
Yes.
and help the youth create their own jobs. Actually, that's a secret of to job.
Yes.
We myself create jobs.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, somebody here is watching me again. Hello, MTN Breakfast Show. Kidogo amepiga mbizi huyo. So I believe that Lincoln, I believe you are contented with what Mheshimiwa has just said here. Hello MTN. Hello MTN Breakfast Show. Yes, Chalu. Yes.
I'm saying this.
Yeah. Unamsikia?
Kabisa kama Charles, tuko ndani sasa, tunasema ni wakati wa mayouth kabisa. Kabisa tunataka vitendo sasa Charles.
Shukrani sana bwana Charles. Amen. Just predicting that you will win as an MCA and ataki maneno as youth ni kusema na kutenda.
Yes.
Yeah, not just empty words.
Absolutely.
Because the words will not bring food to my table, but rather what you strategize will bring, and what you implement will bring something in our table.
Yes.
And that youth who is watching there. So maybe if you can just talk to your people of Chandaragita, and ask for what you have to ask as an MCA.
Yes. The people of Chandaragita, especially the youths, my youth, item yetu kabisa. naomba mnishikilie pamoja. Tuweza kuwa hatuna hiyo pesa nyingi ya kwa tukawapatia. Mkiletoa pesa mkule wa hizo Sharagita, lakini tunasema kijana na kazi. Tarehe 8 tukutane hapo kwa ballot. Kura ni siri yako. Tupatie kijana kazi ili aende akasolve our own problems. Youth tunasema let's not be the enemies of ourselves. Let's come and be together, tushikane na tuendelee. Tunajua tunafika na hapo hivyo na boss sijui Karagacha nini sijui nini. So but kura ni yako. It's this time you have given an opportunity to solve your own problems. Na kijana ako hapo akiwa tayari.
So you are an agent for change as a youth.
Absolutely.
Yes, we are glad that our nowadays youths are engaged in politics. Maybe before we wind up, what really made you to venture? Maybe we repeat. Maybe that there is a viewer there who did not listen well. What made you to venture into politics?
So basically, I think I just told you, politicians are the policymakers.
Yes.
And for our policies for us to be heard, we need to take youth-driven policies there, and nobody else can take that. It's just we the youths.
Yes.
Yeah, we can solve our own problems because we understand them better. We can just go to them another Mheshimiwa's office every morning, but it doesn't understand the problem.
Yes.
Some of them are retired people, so they don't understand what you are facing.
Yes.
And the challenges we are facing at that time is not the same challenges we are facing today. By those days, 90s and 80s, maybe the problem was going to university. That was a problem.
Yes.
But today, it's not going to campus. Everybody is going there.
Yes.
But the problem today is unemployment.
Yes.
Today, it's the problems that we have today, they are very, very different from those years. So we need a person who knows what's happening now. The challenges are there in the market or in the world, and solve them promptly.
So you believe in yourself.
Absolutely.
You believe in yourself, and the people of Charangita should believe in you. So that's what you're trying to say.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yes. So if okay, so after I leave for you people of Charangita, remember you can just keep on interacting with us on Facebook, MTN Kenya. Twitter is at MTN Kenya, and Instagram is MTN Kenya. Also follow me on Facebook is Sami Kasuti, Twitter is at Kasuti Sam, and Instagram is Sami Kasuti. I remember here on MTN Breakfast Show we had a youthful leader, an MCA candidate, Charangita Ward. Bwana Jomoke.
Yes, watu niongee Kimeru. Bantu ba Meru. Okay, si watu ba Meru.
Charangita.
Charangita. Najua Mungu ndani kabisa. Naona mheshimiwa kuna mtu amesema hapa na kuona uko ndani kabisa, unatuwakilisha vizuri sana. Watu wa Charangita tafadhali naomba tu amani, na mheshimiwa wenyewe wako hapa hivi yako ina polite way, na tunajua kweli nyinyi watu wa amani kabisa. Na wale watu wa Kakamega Nyani ziliharibu mahindi, pole sana, tunajua Gorogoro itashuka chini. Thank you for watching MTN Kenya Morning Breakfast Show kuanzia saa 1 hadi saa 2, tukiwa ndani na mgeni, na tena mgeni atakuja tuambie kumeenda vipi, mmempokelea aje, vijana mnafanya nini. The mheshimiwa will be wakilishing you uko ndani sana na mko locked sana. Thank you for watching, mpaka kesho the same time tukiwaletea mgeni mpya.
Thank you so much for coming to our studios.
Okay, thank you so much.
I believe you will come back.
I'll come back.
Yes.
And those people should follow me on Facebook also.
Yes.
Eugene Karagacha.
Eugene, look at that camera.
Eugene Karagacha on Facebook.
Yes.
Eugene Karagacha on Twitter.
Yes.
Eugene Karagacha on Instagram.
Yes.
And you can go to my website www.eugenekaragacha.com.
So if you want to find all your manifestos, someone should just log in to www.eugenekaragacha.com. www.eugenekaragacha.com, and Facebook is Eugene Karagacha, Twitter Karagacha.
Eugene Karagacha.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming to your studios. Maybe if I can just read because time is not on our side. Just in 1 minute. Mheshimiwa, nimekuona tuwakilishe. Sasa sijui nani ametuma text hapo anasema Mheshimiwa nimekuona.
Jana tutawakilisha kabisa.
Yes,
Dani.
Yes, thank you. Hopefully you'll come back next time in our studio back.
Yes.
So when you become an MCA, don't run away from us.
We'll be coming here.
Just be friendly.
Yes.
Here on MTN Breakfast Show.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching MTN Breakfast Show. Oh my goodness, it's just
oh my.
Thank you so much for watching MTN Breakfast Show. With me is Samuel Kasuti and MC Jomoke. We were having an MCA candidate, Eugene Karagacha. See you tomorrow, same place and same time.
Tani.
Asante.